Welcome back to Doctor's Insight, friends. Today we're uncovering nature's most powerful anti-aging tools. If you're over 55 and want to feel stronger, more energetic, and protect your health as you age, this video is for you. Today we're uncovering common foods that might be secretly working against your body, and the simple, delicious swaps that can make a huge difference. Stick around, because these tips could change how you feel every day. The silent culprits. 3 foods aging you faster. 1. Processed meats. Hot dogs, bacon, deli meats. Let's start with a breakfast favorite. Processed meats. Yes, they're convenient, but here's the problem. They're loaded with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives linked to inflammation, high blood pressure, and even faster muscle loss. A 2021 Harvard study found that just 50 grams of processed meat daily raises heart disease risk by 42%. What to eat instead? Swap to lean proteins like baked chicken, wild-caught salmon, rich in omega-3s, or plant-based options like lentils. Your heart and muscles will thank you. Sugary cereals and white bread. Next up, refined carbs. Many cereals and white breads act like sugar bombs in your body, spiking blood glucose and accelerating cellular aging. Research shows seniors with high sugar diets have weaker memories and slower recovery times. What to eat instead? Try steel-cut oats with berries or 100% whole grain bread. The fiber keeps your gut healthy and energy steady. 3. Diet sodas and artificial sweeteners. Wait, diet soda is bad too? Unfortunately, yes. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame can disrupt gut bacteria and increase cravings for sweets. A Johns Hopkins study linked them to higher belly fat in adults over 50. What to eat instead? Hydrate with lemon water, unsweetened green tea, or sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. Your metabolism will improve, and you'll sleep better too. Now that we've covered what to avoid, in Part 2, I'll share the top 5 superfoods that repair aging cells, boost energy, and are easy to add to your meals. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Superfoods that fight aging and boost energy. 1. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect brain health. A study in the Annals of Neurology found seniors who ate berries regularly delayed cognitive decline by 2.5 years. Quick tip. Add them to yogurt or oatmeal for a delicious, age-defying breakfast. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, rich in vitamin K and magnesium. These greens strengthen bones and improve blood pressure. Just 1 cup of spinach gives you 200% of your daily vitamin K needs. And easy idea. Sauté with olive oil and garlic. It's heart-healthy and flavorful. 3. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, chia, flax seeds. Omega-3s in walnuts and flax seeds combat joint stiffness and support memory. A 2023 study showed seniors eating nuts daily had 20% better mobility. Snack hack. Sprinkled chia seeds on salads or blend flax seeds into smoothies. We'll debunk common diet myths for seniors, like, should you avoid eggs? And is dairy really bad? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.